What's up everyone? Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Before we begin, make sure to hit the like and subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon. We're posting 4 videos every day, so make sure to check back every single day. We've just hit 20k subscribers, so thank you all so much. Let's get to 30k and get a deal in the description if you haven't already. Plenty of free crypto and goodies down there. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. What's up guys, so just before we begin, make sure to hit the subscribe and the bell icon. People aren't seeing our content and this is probably because you haven't hit the bell icon. Thank you again for all your support. The algorithm is slamming a lot of content creators right now, so we really appreciate all your support. And we're so proud of the amazing community that we built, so make sure to jump into the Telegram and the free Discord. So we're just taking a look at Harmony 1 here, and as you can see, it looks as though, we're basically putting in a little bit of a... Ooh, I love it when I accidentally pull my fib like that. You can see we're basically put in a little bit of a range recently, haven't we, where we've just come up and down in between these two levels at the 0.78 here of the fib pool at around 16 cents. We come up to around, a new all-time high of 33 cents, but we basically double topped. We come back down to support at that previous range, didn't we? Basically, we're doing something like this, aren't we? You can see here, if we just pull this this box in so you can see the range that has actually been going on. Basically what's been happening is we've got the previous all-time high here at around 22.5 cents. We come all the way down where we pull our fib pulls. Obviously you can see all these fib levels being basically respected like an absolute beast. On the daily time frame, if we come in and take a look here, if I can stop pulling my fib, that would be great. You can see here the 0.618 resistance, support, resistance, support, resistance. We come back down one last time. This is a pretty crazy candle, but basically what happened was, you can see we finally got the breakthrough all the way back up to the previous all-time high, but we got rejected. We come back down to the 618 where we found nice support. We come back up, consolidate, run up and make a new all-time high, back test the previous all-time high, run all the way up and have a nice little move. And then we were kind of consolidating, weren't we, doing something like this for Harmony, forming a little bit of a range here, to be honest. But then obviously we lost support of the previous all-time high with the market correction that we saw for Bitcoin taking us all the way down on the December the 4th. We wick all the way down to around, what is this? 13.5 cents here, but we come back up into the range, consolidate above that fib level, at around the 0.78 here, consolidate, and then we do get that move back to the upside after that long period of consolidation. Once we broke out this trend line here, we come back up to around 24.5, 25 cents, have a nice little run, come back down, retest the previous all-time high again as support, and now looking like we are running, have a nice run over the past week back up towards the all-time high. So the Harmony 1, obviously a lot of layer 1s doing extremely well. We've seen how, Solana and Avalanche have done recently. We do think Harmony 1 is another ecosystem that is waiting to explode. It does need a little bit more adoption, in our opinion, more DeFi and more of an ecosystem being fleshed out and built out. But we do think this is a project that can continue to do well. You can see it's trading very technically here. On the hourly time frame, you can see just how technically it has been trading. Obviously, consolidating around the previous all-time high, resistance at this top of this range here. We come back down, lose support here, come to the bottom of the range, form the bottom, and then you can see we come back up, retest the previous all-time high. Now we're running back up to the top of the range to retest it, basically, aren't we? Because you can see that is our next resistance. So right now, we'd say Harmony 1, it's in a range, isn't it? And until we see it break out of the range and it back tested like this, we'll still be in a range and basically trade the range is what we're saying. Not financial advice, of course, but you can see quite clearly that once, it's actually a fact that around 75% of the time that cryptocurrencies are actually ranging and not actually moving in either direction with any significant amount of aplomb, you would say. So basically, it looks as though, until we see a clean break out of this, like this, and then a move to the upside, we're probably just going to see, Harmony 1 ranging like this to the side until Bitcoin can sort itself out. So can do short-term price predictions, keep things nice and short and sweet. Obviously, if we roll over from here, we do have a nice swing high area around 27.5 cents for support in the short term. If we roll any by a significant amount, we could see ourselves back down at 22.5 cents here at that previous all-time high where we pulled the fib from. And then obviously, if we're moving to the upside, we're targeting the top of the range here at 34.5 cents. And there is that all-time high as well at around 38 cents. So we do want to see ourselves heading up towards, at the very least, doing something like this. Retesting the top of the, at least retesting these levels here and then potentially breaking out and heading up towards that 141 extension at around 42.5 cents, which would be great to see. And then obviously you can see here, we do have some very, very nice price targets for Harmony One. We've got a really nice 227 extension at around 158 here. Not saying that this will be hit, but that obviously would be a very, very nice 5x or so from the current price. And we do think when we've seen what other layer ones can do in the market, that it's very likely that we're going to see, you know, Harmony One potentially having a nice pump as well. So I'd like to thank everyone so much for their support. If you've got any questions or suggestions, please leave them down below, and don't forget to subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon, to stay up to date with 4 videos we post every single day. Remember, if you want to support the channel more directly and get a ton of benefits and insight, as well as joining our growing community, consider the Patreon or YouTube membership down below. There are 3 tiers giving you access to our private Discord. Crypto Supporter is available if you just want to help us out a small amount. Crypto Maximalist is our main tier, which gives you access to detailed daily technical analysis and signals, weekly and monthly coin calls, and insights into our personal moves, while Maximalist Gold takes it a step further, giving you an insight into our personal portfolio tracker, super low cap gem research, and a 100x portfolio we're constructing and updating, and access to us personally as a resource to discuss your portfolio via Messenger. Make sure to check it out. You can also sign up to our free Telegram and public Discord via the description as well. All the links are in the description for affiliate links for discounts and free crypto, so go check them all out below. There's plenty of goodness on offer. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalists.